Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. All right, we got the jobs report in about 9 minutes, so I'll keep this pretty short. We saw a push all the way down to the 28.55 area yesterday, so it was 3 solid days down. Broke the 2 standard deviation lower band, broke the 3 standard deviation lower band, and traded below the 200-day exponential on the continuation chart by a solid 20 handles. What we saw at that point, though, was we saw the first genuine, bounce, rejection, rally, dead cat, whatever you want to call it. They rallied it, and they're continuing to rally it. The jobs report in 8 minutes is going to be, it's going to matter. For the second time this week, you saw economic data really take the legs out of the market. ISM and ISM services both. Both those reports, when they came in, the market did not like what they saw, and they chopped it big time. They took 30 handles to begin. They took from 28.90 to 28.55 off of ISM, and it's been a long time since we've seen, the routine economic numbers really matter like this. So I'm very curious to see what's going to happen with this jobs report. What the bulls need to do is to maintain or try to maintain the hourly midband. You can see that it's starting to tighten up again. They certainly want to maintain the daily pivot here if they can. The Globex low is 28.98. Ideally, that would hold. But if it breaks, then you start getting back into, there's some air pockets to the downside. And the Bears' task today is to try to take out that 28.55 if they can, because then it just demonstrates that, okay, it was a reflexive bounce that we're in control of. We sold the rally and you have a lower low. And then, you get back to the business as usual this week, which has been steadily taking the market down. That's a big ask for the Bears today. It would be much easier for the Bulls to take out the Globex high and rally it up a little bit. We are well under the daily mid-band. We are well under weekly pivot. These things are, dozens of handles away. But for now, keep an eye on daily pivot on the down, Globex high on the up as we head into the jobs report. All right. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Come check us out on social. Come check out the room. Trade them well. See you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.